Today we are going to do differences of two squares, and here there are some things we need to take into consideration. You know, the difference of two squares, when we always talk about, we talk about an expression that is in the form of a squared minus b squared, or x squared, either a squared minus b squared or x squared minus y squared, right? So this is the expression that you are going to look at, and most often students get confused in expanding this expression, a squared minus b squared. This expression is expanded as a plus b in a bracket, then multiply by a minus b in a bracket. The same way, this can also be expressed as x plus y in a bracket multiplied by x minus y, right? This is how it is being expressed, and don't be confused and express this as x minus y multiplied by x minus y. No, this is totally no, right? So here, let's take some examples and expand. Let's expand example like 4x squared minus y squared. This can be expanded as, 2 raised to the power 2 will give us what? 4, right? So we say 2x in the bracket, all raised to the power 2, then minus y in a bracket raised to the power what? 2. Then when we further it, we are going to get what? 2x minus y in a bracket, then 2x plus y. This can the operational signs can be interchangeable. Either you bring the minus first or the plus first, it all remains the same, right? So my good students should take good care of this and do not be confused always. This is how we just solve it. And in simple way, let's take a look at another question which is very simple. Let's simplify 13.63 raised to the power 2 minus 6.37 raised to the power 2. This can be simplified as this. We have these two simple things, so we just open bracket 13.63 minus 6.37 in a bracket multiply by 13.63 plus 6.37, right? 67. So here, without table or calculator, this is the simple way you go by. So when you subtract 6, when you add these two, okay, let's do the subtraction first. Let's make the addition, because addition is very simple. When we add this, we are going to get what? 20, right? When we add it, we are going to get 20. Then when we subtract from here, we are going to get 7.26. Yes, 7.26. So when we multiply these two, we are going to get what? 145.20. This is how simple we deal with this. So this is the difference of two squared. When you get it with variable, you go by this method. This involves variables, right? And when you get it without variable too, you work it this way. You just use the simple method My fellow students, don't be confused with this and always get it right in your exams. Goodbye. Thank you for watching. If you want to get more videos, just subscribe to Qwajo Chairman himself and click on the notification bell. Anytime that I'll drop a new video, you'll get it. Let's just do a simple recap